Making money online is Esay with these tips. Learning how to make money online is something that many people today are searching for to help supplement their income. It can be a simple way to put a few extra bucks in your pocket, or if you're lucky it can earn you a great living. Either way, there is something for everyone to learn with the tips in the following video, so keep watching. If you'd like to make money online, try thinking outside the box. While you want to stick with something you know and are capable of doing, you will greatly expand your opportunities by branching out. Look for work within your preferred genre or industry, but don't discount something simply because you've never done it before. Sign up for a site that will pay you to read emails during the course of the day. You will simply get links to scan over different websites and read through miscellaneous text. This will not take you a lot of time and can pay great benefits in the long run. Provide services to people on Fiverr. This is a site that allows people to get anything that they want, from media design to promotions, for a flat rate of $5. There is a $1 charge for each service that you sell, but if you do a high quantity, the profit can add up. As you can see from the above video, it is easy to understand how to make money online when you get the knowledge through great tips. You can join the millions of people worldwide who make money each day, if you pay close attention to the tips that you have just read. Making money online is a skill, and if you continue to study good tips and ideas such as these, there is no reason why you cannot make lots of money online. Student loan.